Okay, this is a video for the MK Indy RR Hayabusa engine car we have here at MK Sportscars. I'm just going to walk you around the car and give you a description of what it is. It's a track focused car, so not road registered in the UK, but it was built for the Mag 7s race series in the UK by the customer. The car itself here in black gel coat with carbon CSR front wings and carbon wet lay rear arches. We've got Compromotive CXRs and a standard graphics package on there, CXRs on the front. Also we got wheelwood floor pots with cross-drilled and grooved on the front. And if we move around to the rear, we've also got wheelwood cross-drilled and grooved 273s on the rear. On the back of the car, it's got a standard brake light package and a rain light with aero fuel cap there and a rear diffuser that goes under the floor. Into the boot area, I've removed the boot panel so you can see it's very clean. We've got a 314, this is a 314 limited slip div, so it's got a Quafe ATB in there. We also have, you can see, this has not got a Protex, this has Quantums, so it's got very nice upgraded Quantum dampers, very nice dampers, single adjustables on those. As you can see, the purple damper in there. It's got a tip over sensor for racing and the ATL, very reliable fuel sender, all nice and clean in the rear end. As we move around the vehicle, same on this side as the front, carbon rear and carbon front arches. Had a custom exhaust as well, stainless 4x2x1 system. And then we'll move around to the front of the vehicle. This is fully rose jointed right the way through, so this is an RR chassis. So rose jointed wishbones here, front and rear. And then we run down into the way. I'll try and get a front end shot. In here we have a 19 row all cooler, alley radiator package as well to keep the cooling. It's got standard Sierra based uprights on here. Got the light bars on but no headlights on there, but the lights are there and the plugs are in if you want to run lights on the front at any one time. It's got a Sierra 2.8 quick rack, so steering rack's a 2.8 quick rack. And then we have a duct on the front nose cone here that goes in to this airbox, a custom made airbox to keep the induction noise down but not actually reduce horsepower, so meant to increase it because it rams the air duct into from the scoop here at the front. We'll go to the interior next. So inside we've got a Sparco D-shape double D steering wheel. We've got a billet MK branded gear lever that we do. It's got a flat shifter system on it as well. We've got the flat shifter expert with clutch and uplift shifts on it as well. Quick release boss. It's got a wheelwood top mounted pedal box and bias adjustable. So you can see the engine start and ignition and a race technology Digi-2 on there as well, Dash 2 as they call it. Runs a remote fan switch here, and we do ever say that's in for lights, and we've got the rain switch as well. It's got the brand new, we just put them in so that he's up to spec. These are 4-point MK branded harnesses and two brand new seats we've put in at the same time, and these are homologation, as you can see, valid for, hopefully we can zoom in on that for you, 2025, if I can get that on there for you. There you go, TOS 2025 branded as well. We've got a long acre mirror as well in the centre of the vehicle, and we'll move around slowly so you can see. We've also got a FEV remote fire extinguisher system as well, all plumbed in, and a passenger footrest on there. This is plumbed in front and rear on the system for the FEV fire extinguisher. We'll pop the bonnet now, which we'll see, and Joseph will just come and do that. Here's for the marshals, the battery kill switch for racing spec, and then we'll go in and to the engine bay. Just move around. So back in here, just to show you all the rose jointed wishbones on the rear and the speed sensor we'll pick up as we're going back through, and then we'll move around, wheels, tyres, side impact bars as well. So engine bay, top mounted wheelwood pedal box, flat shifter expert, Mocal oil catch tank, 5-inch dry sump tanks. It's all dry sumped, SPD dry sump system on it. Runs standard management from the Busa. The big air system which is directed in, it's the electric water pump, and you can see just down in there the quantum shocks on the front and a custom anti-roll bar on the front on this one as well. It's all braided hoses through it right the way through. You can see in there it's got the SPD on that as well, which is for the breather on the vent. We run oil cooler temperature as well, so it runs a sandwich there for it for temperature up and down. The header tank sits under here, you can just about see that under the front here for the water and any roll bar fixings. We've got the temperature senders down in here for the oil as well. Come round, batteries down into the base here, loaded up right the way through. And what we'll do is we'll start the vehicle now so you can hear it running. It's a Gen2 Busa engine, very low mileage. The car has really done hardly any track miles as well. I think it's only done half a dozen track days in this particular vehicle. So we'll start that as you see. Miles showing on the odometer, so this has not done many miles at all. It does have buttons here for controlling the dash as well, for changing that. Josie's just going to rev it up a couple of times so you can show it as you see it. We'll do it from the engine here. Oh, running fine. And there you have it. That's our Indy RR Generation 2 Hayabusa car.